This dance is called She Cares. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improver level line dance with 1 restart. Starting off on the right foot into a modified V-step, so-called modified because you're going up on your heels. Now if you can't manage this or you're not comfortable going on the heels, just do a normal V-step. So you're going to step your right diagonally forward to the right, the left diagonally forward to the left, right diagonally back to the left or where it came from, left beside right. It's your normal V-step. If you can do it on the heels, and you feel comfortable doing it on the heels, then please do so. Add on a step, lock, step, right foot leading, step, lock, step. Mambo step on the left, rock forward, recover, close, and a coaster step on the right, back, close, step. So that little set of steps once more then, that V-step, heels or not, up to you. 7, 8, out, in, close, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step. Into some vaudevilles. Now you're actually going to make a quarter turn on this first one of these vaudevilles. So as you cross your left over the right, you are going to make 1/8 of a turn to the left. As you step the right to the side, you're going to make that further 1/8 of a turn to the left. So you're now facing 9 o'clock. Touch your left heel forward on the diagonal towards 7:30, step the left beside the right. That's your first vaudeville. Now you're going to do a second one, this time without turning. So you cross the right over left, step the left to the side, touch that right heel forward on the diagonal, 10:30, step the right beside the left. Into a modified jazz box. So slower timing than the vaudevilles. You're going to cross your left over the right. As you do so, you're going to bend that knee. Step back on the right, big step to the side on the left, slide the right beside the left. So that set of steps once more then, going into that vaudeville, putting that quarter turn on, 2/8 in those first 2 steps. Your cross side both have 1/8 of a turn on them. Off on the left then, 7, 8, cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, back, side, slide and touch. Let's add those 2 sections together. V-step off on the right. 7, 8, out, in, close, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step, cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, back, side, touch. Into some side touches. So you step the right to the side, touch the left. As you do, you clap. Step the left to the side, touch the right and clap. Half a rumba box forward. So we step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right forward, touch the left beside the right. Side touches again, left to the side, touch right and clap, right to the side, touch left and clap. Half rumba box back, stepping the left to the side, right beside left, step the left back, no touch on this one. That set of steps once more then, side touches off on the right. 7, 8, side, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back. Let's add that to the top. V-step, off on the right. 7, 8, out, in, close, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step, cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, back, side, touch, side, side, close, step, touch, side, side, close, back. Half shuffle turn over your right shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Right foot leads. run forward 3 steps, left, right, left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left, and add on a full turn over 2 steps. If you don't wish to do this full turn, just walk forward, right, left. Otherwise, it's half a turn left, you step back on the right, half a turn left, you step forward on that left. So that full turn is one of those steps I will demonstrate whilst we're going through the dance and the walkthrough. I'll actually be doing the non-turning walk-walk option when the music is on, but I'll still call that full turn so you know where it is in the dance. Now when we're doing those run steps forward, the choreographer has actually said to do them as almost like boogie runs. So you need to, if you can, wobble your knees from side to side as you're doing your run. So when you run forward with the left, the knees go to the left. When you run forward on the right, the knees will go to the right. When you run forward on the left, they'll go to the left. So boogie runs, if you can boogie run. I have no idea what my runs are going to look like. They may or may not be boogie style, but I'll do my best. So boogie runs, if we can, do them. So that set of steps once more then. Half shuffle over your right shoulder, off on the right. 7, 8, half shuffle, run, 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 step, pivot, full turn. So that's the end of the dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. V-step off on the right. 7, 8, out, out, in, close, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step, cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, back, side, touch, side touch, side touch, side close, step, touch, side touch, side touch, side close, back, half shuffle, run, 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 step, pivot, full turn. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. V-step, off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's your dance, and hopefully you've got a good feel for the timing. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. V-step off on the right. 7, 8, out, out, in, close, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step, cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, back, side, touch, side touch, side touch, side close, step, touch, side touch, side touch, side close, back, half shuffle, run, 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 step, pivot, full turn. Out, out, in, close, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step, cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, back, side, touch, side touch, side touch, side close, step, touch, side touch, side close, back, half shuffle, run, 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 step, pivot, full turn. Out, out, in, close, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step, cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, back, side touch, side touch, side touch, side close, step, touch, side touch, side touch, side close, back, half shuffle, run, 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 step, pivot, full turn. that's your dance. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 4, halfway through after 16 counts. So you will have done that jazz box, nice and slow, and you restart the dance at that point. So wall 4 is our 3 o'clock wall. So let's have a go at wall 4. Take you up to and including 16 counts and restart the dance. V step off on the right. 7, 8, out, in, close step, lock step, mambo step, coaster step, cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, back, side, touch, restart, out, in, close step, lock step. So that's your restart point, wall 4 after 16 counts. So that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to bow music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, in, close, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step, cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, back, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, back, half shuffle, run, step, pivot, fold, turn, out, in, close, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step, cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, back, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, back, half shuffle, run, step, pivot, fold, turn, out, in, close, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step, cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, back, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, close, back, half shuffle, run, step, pivot, fold, turn, out, in, close, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step, vaudevilles, restart, walk, cross, back, side, restart, out, in, close, step, lock, step, vaudevilles, side touch, half shuffle, V step, vaudevilles, side touch, half shuffle, V, I'll be heading home to the only one who really cares. Yeah, only one who really cares. Yeah, only one who really cares. Yeah. I'll be heading home to the only one who really cares. Hope you managed that one.